Before you can build a schedule in the Versa software, you first need to have a method. Here, for example, we have a method that we've been using for VOCs. If you wish to know how to make a method, please see our other videos. So to make your schedule, all you have to do is press New, Schedule, and it will bring up this line for you. Here you can then select your method, so double click. I'll just select the VOCs one that I just showed you. Now what you can do is you can now just use the downward arrow on your keyboard for as many files as you have. So for example, if I have 8 files, I would push the arrow down and it will fill these all in automatically for me. You also have here the feature of views. So for example, if you have 8 files but you don't want to test file 2, you can just untick that and it won't run it. Once you have the schedule, you can then press save, so file, save as, and you can call it whatever you'd like. So I'll just go with Versa test and press OK. To start the schedule, simply press load up here and it will send the parameters to your instrument. You can see now under mode that it is ready, and when I am ready to run this, I can just simply press step and it will begin.